Hi everyone. So I'm here answering a few questions of yours, whatever I could see in the posts. So first of all, everyone wants to know my experience with Akshay. Of course, he's a big star, but the best part about him is the fact that he knows where he comes from. So he's so grounded, and that's something that I learned from him as well. He's actually a Mr. Cool and relaxed. He's in on screen you see him as Khiladi, as someone who's like very hot tempered, but in real he's just so cool that I barely feel that he can ever get angry. So yeah, he is extremely relaxed person, but his sense of humor is as good off screen as much as it is on screen because he's good. He's got some really good comic timing, and his one-liners are fabulous. So of course we had some nice fun time on the sets of Baby. Another question that was asked to me by a lot of people was they've seen the trailer and you've really liked it. So you want to know if it's actually as deep and real as we've shown it in the trailer, because generally we see a lot of terrorism movies, so you want to know what is so different in it. Well, I think it's a Neeraj Pandey movie that says a lot of things about the movie, because he's before also he's tackled some very common issues, like be a con movie like Special Chabbis, or be it about a common man's problems in Wednesday, but in spite of that he's made some masterpiece. So the same way he's handled his this particular problem of terrorism in his own way, that is going to be extremely unique, which you wouldn't have seen in any other movie, because it's going to be very real. You will not feel it's over the top and very dramatic and it doesn't happen in real. You'll actually feel for it. It's going to be so real. So that's the unique thing about this particular movie, and that's why I'm sure it's going to be as deep and as real as you expect it to be, as you've seen the trailer. And okay, some interesting questions by people like what is the difference between North and South? Is it difficult to work in Bollywood now? Well, I think it should be a little easier because it's my own language. It's Hindi, और हिंदी मेरी मातृभाषा है और मेरे को हिंदी ही अच्छे से बोलनी आती है. But I think I have established myself somehow in South, so I have to completely start from scratch in Bollywood, which is okay because I enjoy my work, I love my work, so that is why that's not a problem. The only difference what I feel is the language. Apart from that, I don't really see much of a difference between the two industries so far, at least for me.